Greetings, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Tamil Selvam, Professor of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. Just now, I am going to give you introduction about engineering drawing, which is the base for any engineers. And engineering drawing, we know that from this drawing, it's like a sketch that can be drawn, which should include all the kind of technical aspects, and it should clearly define the requirements that what we have to make. It's an engineered item, but it has to be drawn mostly with scales because we may have products of tiny in nature or very large sized materials. Therefore, we have to have a scale. Either a small object is to be projected at large size or in the medium size, so that now we could able to understand about the technical aspects of it, and we have to produce it, because this engineering drawing is meant for making the items get produced. And the classification of the drawing is mainly it is into two things. One is artistic, another one is the technical drawing. We are going to deal about only the technical drawings. Under the technical drawings we have like sketches, which is only conceptual. Whatever we have it in mind, it has to be produced into conceptual items. And the diagram will include the design and the technical aspects, where design plan and the technical drawing are included. But mostly now we are going to deal with the drawings, technical or engineering drawings, where we have three major headings. One is the orthographic drawing, which means that orthographic means a 90-degree drawing. Therefore, multiple views are there. That is, when I'm looking from the front, how it looks. When I'm looking from the top, how it looks. When I'm looking from the side, how it looks. Therefore, multiple view. That is a 90-degree view. That is from the front, from the top, or from this side, or from this side. Like all between that are 90 degrees. From the plan to in the plane of projection to the viewer's eye are 90 degrees. Therefore, that is called orthographic views. The other one is oblique projection or isometric projection. Those are all we will see in detail in the forthcoming slides. Here, when you look at this diagram in the classification, at the left hand side are with very less technical aspects. When you move towards right side, it is more technical. It means that the highest technical inputs can be provided in a drawing through this orthographic in nature. This is the example of sketches. It describes about the conceptual idea. Therefore, any layman can easily understand what it is, but it is not conveying the technical specifications or very specific qualities about this conceptual designs. When an idea comes into mind, it has to be captured like either it is an automobile or it's a house, something like, and it's to be drawn very simple, rough drawing of the object without using any drawing instruments or the tools, so that now we could easily reflect our conceptual idea. This is engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is termed as language of engineers. A picture is easiest method than conveying in 1,000 words, or it should be conveyed with the tools, so that we could able to get all the details like the what is the size and how it the shape is different, and all those interior details also will be embedded into it. A sketch is like without tools it is drawn, but engineering drawing must be made with the drafting tools with exactness. Set squares, protractors, rulers, and compass, something, everything could be used, and it has to be made very carefully, and it should convey very accurate message of the component. And when it comes to projections, projection means when you if you take it here, this is the component we have here. When I'm looking from this front side, now this is carried into the plane of projection. This is called a vertical plane. In this plane we are projecting this front view, then the front view will be look like this inverted T. This is called a projection. And here you could able to see a 3D object. It's the isometric drawing. How the orthographic means a 90-degree drawing. When I'm looking from this direction in the front, it will be its view will be like this. And here this dotted line indicates that it is the hidden. Though when we are looking from the top, the hole is visible to us, but when you're looking from the front, this hole is invisible. Therefore, this invisible is also drawn. Likewise, here when you're looking from the top, this projection will not be seen to us, but even then this mark will say that there is something that has to be incorporated by looking into the front view or the side view. Therefore, by incorporating this front view, top view, and side view, we could get all three dimensions of the object in the orthographic projection. And actually the engineering drawing can be done either manually or with the introduction of CAD designs. Uh, when you introduce CAD, no, you will have more versatility and more easiness, and it will reduce the time so that no, we can go ahead with multiple features. And the standard codes universally used in India will be using Bureau of Indian Standards that says about the nomenclature of all the products that we use, and also the BIS codes, Bureau of Indian Standard codes, for the size of the drawing sheet, how the type of lines are to be used, and what kind of a lettering to be used, and what is the projection methods, and how to dimension. All that has been prescribed under the BIS code. We will be following in the all classes we follow. Therefore, here I have introduced two things. One is water drawing. Drawing may be initially bringing the conceptual ideas into the drawing format, which could be drawn in a simple drawing where it will not reflect the sizes exactly. But in engineering drawing, we will it should be drawn very carefully with all drawing instruments, and it has to be very specific size, and we have to follow some standards. And also we can introduce, instead of the manual drawing, through computer drawing tools also we can use it. This is what introduction about drawing. And here for this, the today's assignment, as simple as that, you can take a matchbox, because all know a matchbox how it look like conceptually, how you can draw, and how you can draw the front view, side view, and top view, so that all three dimensions of it how can be brought in. We will see future things in the next classes. Thank you for watching. Thank you.